Want to personalize your Tinder profile? Here's how to add a username. First, open the Tinder app and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Here at the top right corner, you can see settings icon. Tap on it to go to settings. Scroll down until you see username field. Once you find it, tap on it and enter your desired username, something unique that reflects you. Once you have typed it in, tap save. Now your username will appear on your Tinder profile. If the username is not saving, try entering a different name or check if it's already taken by someone else. And that's it. Your Tinder profile now has a unique username. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.